Scientific knowledge is born from humanity's endless curiosity. First to explain the physical world, and then to spur a scientific and industrial revolution that forever changed our world. At the forefront of this transformation, at the boundary between what we know and what we don't know, frontier research stands as the spearhead of our future and holds the power to improve our lives and our planet. However, to do so, it also demands the commitment and support of all. In Catalonia, strategic decisions over the last 2 decades have added research centres focused on scientific excellence to the already active university community. One of these decisions was to bring together the efforts of 7 of these centres in an institution of scientific cooperation called BIST, the Barcelona Institute of Science and Technology. BIST is a private-public partnership which combines and multiplies the efforts of excellence and impact of the 7 centres that constitute it, improving their scientific contribution, strengthening the knowledge system, and advancing the society that promotes them. It does so by aggregating their critical mass, promoting their multidisciplinary scientific cooperation, and strengthening and boosting their institutional capacity through targeted initiatives and programs. Today, the BIST scientific community is made up of 2,700 researchers, students, and staff, working at the core and the intersections of biology, physics, chemistry, engineering, and medicine. This ranks in the top 1% of research institutions in Europe. Each of the centres is supported by the Catalan government, several private institutions, and universities with which they closely collaborate.
BIST is a magnificent initiative to get a scientific community moving forward research that will change our lives.
Research requires multidisciplinary approaches and the combination of different expertise, in particular if we wish to generate knowledge to be transferred to the society. Within the BIST, we have established an environment that facilitates collaboration among scientists and investors to get this knowledge close to the public.
BIST nurtures a unique environment in which innovation projects can flourish. This community offers the experience of previous success stories, management and leadership training, and the possibility of tapping into talent and new ideas for almost any challenge you can imagine.
Being a postdoc in one of BIST's community centers means having an even more enriched environment. You have colleagues working in outstanding groups in different disciplines. And you have access to all sorts of soft and hard skill training that help you advance your career. I'm glad to be a part of it.
A key milestone in this shared vision is the creation of a new infrastructure dedicated to multidisciplinary frontier research in precision medicine. This new facility, currently under construction by the IRB at the former Antic Mercat del Peix site in Barcelona, will bring together more than 900 members of the BIST scientific community under one roof. In parallel, the 7 BIST community centres are designing a joint scientific initiative in precision medicine for healthy aging.
Precision medicine requires new technologies. To develop new technologies, we have to work in large networks, in large multidisciplinary teams, and BIST provides an excellent environment for this, to translate our technologies from our laboratories to clinical practice.
BIST is an instrument for the advancement of our knowledge system, reinforcing and multiplying the potential of its scientific community. Today, our research system has reached a level of maturity that allows it to consolidate and expand its impact, improving people's lives, protecting the planet, and contributing to a transformation of our production model. If the commitment to make frontier research the driving force behind the transformation of our society continues, it will generate extraordinary opportunities for social and economic progress for everyone. This is also our commitment.